I've installed an alternate web browser, in this case Firefox instead of Microsoft Edge, and I need to be able to set this as my default browser, but Windows 11 in the latest build has made that more difficult. So I'm clicking on Settings, and once I'm in Settings, I'll go to Apps, and then I'll go to Default Apps. Now I'm going to locate my web browser that I'd like to make the default. In this case, it's Firefox. Yours may be Chrome or something else. And you can see it's only allowing the default type to the Firefox HTML and HTML options. So what you have to do is you have to go into each one of these and change them to Firefox. And it usually only takes a few seconds. I'll go ahead and finish these up. And there's a few things you don't want to change, such as the paint. You may not want that to go with Firefox or even with Internet Explorer or Edge. You want it to go with the paint program. Or Mail, you may not want that to go with Firefox either. So make sure you watch what it is that you switch over. And once that's all done, now Firefox or whatever alternate web browser service is now your default web browser.